your Kids TV.
Hello my friends and welcome to your Kids TV. It is another beautiful day at Honeysuckle Hollow. I wonder what our rabbit family is up to today.
It is such a beautiful day today. I think it's a perfect day to stay outside all day and play in the meadow.
Oh, it's a wonderful idea. I can make some snacks and we can have a picnic out today. Who is in?
Yes, I love playing in the meadow.
And I love your sandwiches, Mommy.
Okay, you kids go have fun. I will sit here in my chair and read my newspaper.
Do you hear that sound? I think it's coming from the road.
Yes, it sounds like a car. That is odd. We don't get a lot of cars here. I wonder who that is. Hello, my friends. We didn't mean to interrupt you. Let me introduce myself. I am Mr.
Incredible! Wow! Violet and Dash and Jack. Hello, my friends. We're very excited to see you. Are you enjoying this beautiful day in the meadow or you are on a business here?
The thing is, we really need your help. Here's what happened.
Okay guys, remember, tomorrow is Jack's birthday and I made a cake. So Dash and Violet, you guys need to be very careful and not break that cake, since I'm going to work and I will not have time to make a new one tomorrow.
You got it, Mom. The cake will be safe and sound.
Okay guys, give your mommy a hug and I will see you tomorrow.
Okay, honey. I will step outside with you. Kids, watch Jack for a little bit. Okay, Violet. I'm going out to play with my friends. You stay and watch Jack.
Why do I have to stay? I'm going out with my friends.
I'm going out.
No, I'm going out.
I'm going out. I'm going out. Look what you did!
It's all your fault.
What have you kids done? You're unbelievable! I left you for several minutes and you ruined the cake.
We're so sorry, Daddy.
Yeah, Dad, we're sorry. That's what happened. And now we don't have a cake and Jack's birthday is tomorrow.
Aw, that's not good for sure.
Cassie, I heard that you're an incredible baker. So do you think you can bake us a birthday cake for tomorrow?
I would love to help. I will make something Jack will love.
Speaking about Jack, Dad, where is he? Oh no! Jack, where are you?
Jack, where are you?
He was with us a second ago. Where can he be?
Maybe he stepped outside to the yard. Let me go and check. Jack, where are you? Jack, where is that little boy? What happened, Cassie? We are having Incredible's family over and their baby Jack just disappeared. Have you seen him out there? No, I haven't. Do you have a picture of him? I'm not sure. Let me go and ask. Oh, little boy, where have you come from? Where did he go? That's odd. Guys, do you happen to have a picture of Jack so I could go ask neighbors around if they saw him?
No, we don't have it with us.
But we can draw picture, can we?
That's an excellent idea, Violet. Let's get to work.
Here, Jack's picture is ready. I think I saw your boy, but he disappeared again.
Here is his picture. Did he look like him?
Yes, it was him.
He must be just playing tricks with us and using his powers again. Jack, where are you?
Maybe we should give him a cookie. Jack, cookie.
Here you are, a naughty boy. We cannot be giving him cookies all the time. It's not good. Okay, you can have one cookie. Okay, we cannot be doing this all day. We need to call his mom.
Okay, you do that and I will start working on his cake. Okay guys, we are going to make a colorful birthday cake. Let's see what's inside. We're gonna open it. We have some interesting parts. We have a knife, white and pink. And we have a cake. It has several parts. And we have stickers. We're gonna use them later. Let's see, how many pieces of cake do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces of cake. Let's start with stickers. We're gonna peel a sticker. And we're gonna put it around our piece of cake. Looks yummy. 1. I'm gonna take a second piece. Peel a sticker. And put it around our second piece of cake. Looks yummy already. Next piece. Peel the sticker and put it on a slice. Piece number 4. Peel the sticker and put it on a slice. There you go. Sticker number 5. Piece number 5. We are putting it around. Here you go. And our last piece, number 6. And the sticker number 6. Here you go. We put the sticker. And we are all done with stickers. Let's assemble our cake. Our 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see what we have for decorations. Looks so yummy. Let's start with our candles since it's a birthday cake. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's about it. We have 5 candles. We have cherries. They look yummy. 1, 2, and 3 cherries. We have strawberries. We're gonna put some strawberries. 1, 2, and 3. 3 strawberries. Yummy. Let's see. We have pieces of watermelon. They're gonna go on the cake. 1, 2, and 3 pieces of watermelon. So yummy. We have some pieces of orange or mandarin. 1, 2, 2, 3, and we have some happy bunny faces. Let's put them on the cake too. 1, 2, 3. We have some, looks like cupcakes. Let's be little cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, and we have a happy birthday sticker. Let's put a birthday sticker right here, and we're gonna put a happy bunny face right here, and I think should be enough. And here you go, guys, our cake is ready, and we can use our knife to cut it, and I will leave it here for our happy birthday boy.
Honey, I'm so glad you're here. We cannot stop Jack Jack from disappearing.
And we broke the cake, but Daddy found a fix for it. Oh guys, I cannot leave you alone even for a second. Jack Jack, where are you, baby? Come to mommy.
Oh no, he's on fire.
It's okay, baby. Come to mommy. It's okay.
Okay, we can go home now. Thank you so much for your help. We cannot wait to taste the cake.
You are welcome, guys. I am glad we could help. Enjoy the cake and happy birthday, Jack Jack.
Okay, guys. Let's all sing happy birthday with us, shall we? On the count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jack Jack. Happy birthday to you.
Grown-ups, if your kids enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to your kids TV channel. Make sure to click on the bell button to get notified when we post our new videos. If you enjoyed our content and would like to support us, please visit us at our Patreon website, patreon.yourkidstv.com. Parents, if you enjoy reading to your kids or your kids like reading books, you may purchase them at the link below, books.yourkidstv.com.
Your cake.